When applying for a Schengen visa, a clear and accurate travel history is essential. Start by collecting all your old passports, as they serve as official proof of your previous travels. Carefully list all your past visits to Schengen countries, including exact dates, countries visited, and duration of stay. Make sure the information matches the entry and exit stamps in your passport. Supporting documents such as flight tickets, hotel bookings, and travel insurance from previous trips can also strengthen your application. It's important to present your travel history in chronological order and ensure there are no gaps or inconsistencies. A well-organized travel history shows visa officers that you respect visa rules and are likely to return home after your trip. Always be honest. Any false information can lead to a rejection. With a clear record, your Schengen visa process will be much smoother. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful travel tips.